Hi, in this series we're going to have a look at how to create search for the postcode and in order to get the latitude and longitude as well as display the map for the given parameters. Our search will work the following way. So if we put some postcode here, let's say WC1 B3 DG, which is the British Museum postcode, we click on submit, we get the latitude and longitude, and our map will load in the main container. If we scroll up, you can see that this actually is the British Museum, so our postcode finder seems to be working fine. Apart from the postcode, this search field will take the full address as well, and so on. So we know what we're going to be doing. Let's move to our editor. Open our index.php. Index.php and CSS folder with the CSS file are available for download as the exercise files. So first we're going to include our CSS file. If I just create a new line here, go to my includes and drag our CSS. Then before the closing body tag, we're going to include two script tags. Okay. For the CSS, we obviously go to our CSS folder, core.css. For our JavaScript, second one will be JS, core.js, and the first one will be jQuery. So we go back to our browser, we go to the jQuery site and get the latest version minified so that it's all compressed. If we click, right-click, save as, save it to our editor. Sorry, to our downloads folder. Then I'm going to drag it to the folder which I'm going to create, which is going to be JS. Now if I open downloads, drag it in, that's all done. Now if I copy the name of the file and put in a source. So JS folder, name of the file, .js. Okay, we also need to create our core.js. And we are now ready to go. So let's start with the structure of the page. So the structure will have a div with the ID of wrapper. Inside of this div, we're going to create a form with action left blank. Method, we're going to use post and ID form underscore map. Okay, inside of this form, we're going to create the input tag, type text, name post underscore code, ID the same, post underscore code. Then we're going to have class, field, and value left blank. Then we close our input tag, then another input tag, this time type submit, class button, and value submit. Okay, our form is ready. Then we're going to have another div with the ID result, which is where we're going to be displaying our latitude and longitude. And the next one with the ID map underscore canvas. And that's everything for our structure. Let's move to the next video and start working with our core.js file.